Are you the kind of person who is passionate about helping others? The kind of person who is not afraid to work hard or get their hands dirty while working on the front lines of healthcare? Maybe you're the type of person who does not want to spend a lot of time and money on tuition and training. You are just ready to make a difference. If this sounds like you, then a 6-week free training course as a patient care technician with SSM Health and St. Charles Community College may be the opportunity for you. Sit back and relax, and in the next several minutes, you will learn about the important work a PCT does to help patients, how the SSM Health and St. Charles Community College's free 6-week training program runs, and further enrollment details. So how does this partnership work? Classroom instruction held at the Center for Healthy Living, located on the Darden Creek campus, and clinical training will be held at one of the SSM Health Ministries. Qualified individuals that are selected for the program will be hired by SSM Health as a full-time PCT. So what is a PCT? Healthcare professionals who assist patients with day-to-day activities. PCTs work with nurses, physicians, and other healthcare professionals. PCTs typically report to a registered nurse. What does a PCT do? Monitors vital signs and conditions of patients, answers patients' calls for help, and offers emotional support. Performs dressing changes and cleans affected areas, assists with baths, walking, feeding, skin care, personal and oral hygiene. PCTs also collect bodily fluid samples for analysis. They consult with nurses and doctors to ensure that patient safety and care is always where it should be. They complete documentation about patient conditions, keep patient rooms up to standards, and they change bedding and restock supplies. Don't worry, the 6-week PCT training program will prepare you well. Combined with classroom studies and clinical training, you will develop these critical skills needed to prepare you for a career in healthcare. Let's talk about time commitment. The PCT cohort is 6 weeks in length and includes 75 classroom hours and about 100 clinical hours. You'll be devoting approximately 25 to 32 hours per week to training. Attendance to each class is mandatory, and the PCT training program does satisfy the requirements of the Missouri Department of Health and Senior Services for Unlicensed Assistive Personnel, or UAP. To be eligible for the program, you must be 18 years of age, and a high school diploma or high school equivalent is required. Qualified individuals that are selected for the program will be hired by SSM Health as a clinical partner student, and training program tuition is completely covered. A 24-month commitment to SSM Health in a benefit-eligible position once the training program is completed is required. SSM will hire the PCT individual as a part-time employee with part-time benefit coverage. This means you will have to work a minimum of 40 hours per pay period every 2 weeks. Why choose SSM? Tuition reimbursement, paid time off, customizable retirement savings programs, market competitive, comprehensive medical, dental, and vision benefits, maternity leave, adoption assistance, and the employee assistance program. So, what's it going to be? If you are interested, please complete the quick form at the end of this video. If you have more questions, please do not hesitate to contact or call. St. Charles Community College has teamed up with SSM Health to offer free training for people wanting to become patient care technicians. The Patient Care Technician non-credit training program combines intensive classroom instruction with weeks of clinical practice. So, what happens next? Well, you'll attend a welcome meeting where further eligibility requirements will be discussed. Eligibility is based on the successful completion of the Healthcare Readiness Assessment, an interview with SSM Health clinical partners. You must pass a criminal background check, drug screen panel, and physical exam, and must have documented proof of the immunizations. And you must register with the Missouri Family Care Safety Registry.